CDS is saying what he is. Why is the Congress party saying there is lack of transparency?
The Congress party is indeed saying there is a lack of transparency because there is a lack of transparency. But the fact of the matter, we speak of accountability, we speak of responsibility. We also need to speak of lack of transparency, and I'll tell you why. The fact I see a certain duplicity and hypocrisy here. The same BJP supporting right-wing trolls who were questioning the CDS, they were telling he was dumbfounded in the Bloomberg interview is absolutely shameful and wrong. Let me take the podium of Times now and condemn all those trolls on X, on formerly Twitter, saying that his decision, the PR, the machinery of our country, the decision makers were all wrong. No, sir. All of you respected members or not so respected members on X coming out and trolling our CDS, trolling our foreign secretary, Mr. Vikram Mesri, is absolutely wrong. I would plead to Modi ji, Amit Shah ji to kindly take a strong action against all those trolls who support the BJP but are actually
Mr. Abbas, we will act against the trolls a little later. Let's first address the fundamental question. People in the Congress party, including the Congress president, Mr. Khadge, is saying that, the Prime Minister suppressed the truth, etc., etc. You should call for a special parliament session. Now, call for a special parliament session, fine. But before the CDS spoke, how did the leaders in the Congress know that we suffered losses, we lost our jets? Who told them? I'm just asking.
That's an absolutely fair question, Pradesh. The fact of the matter is, there is no doubt it is our very own Pradhan Mantri Modi ji who said that the opposition is the backbone of democracy. And opposition has a right to call for a parliamentary session to discuss the same.
No, that's okay. That demand is legitimate. I'm asking you the second question about, the conjectures that were doing the rounds. Who told Congress leaders that we lost our jets?
The fact of the matter is, Pranesh Saab, this question must be best answered with the likes of Jairam Ramesh, Pawan Khera.
They don't come here. I would have, asked them these questions, but I'm glad that you're at least conceding that point. That's all. There is no, one-upmanship here. We are all for our forces. Abdul Razak Khan is smiling. Abdul Razak Khan, Jairam Ramesh तो आते नहीं है, ना ही पवन खेड़ा बात करते हैं. आप ही बताइए, कांग्रेस पार्टी को बताया किसने कि हमारे जेट्स गिर गए या उनका नुकसान हुआ?
सर, ये आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का जमाना है. इसके अंदर कोई सीक्रेट नहीं बची रहती. पूरी दुनिया को पता है क्या चल रहा है. ये तो कोई सीरियस वॉर है सर. इसके अंदर आपने इसको एक मजाक बना के रख दिया. मिनिस्टर ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स एस जयशंकर कहते हैं कि हमने पाकिस्तान को पहले इन्फॉर्म कर दिया कि हम स्ट्राइक करने वाले हैं. अरे कोई वार्म अप मैच खेल रहे थे या सीरियस जंग पे थे? सर, वी वर एट वॉर. लेटर दे डिनाइड सेइंग दैट नो वी आर बीइंग ट्रांसपेरेंट. अरे आप जंग कर रहे हैं, आप पहले ही पाकिस्तान को सुना रहे हैं. इधर से सीडीएस चौहान कहते हैं कि इतने सारे जेट्स हमारे डाउन हो गए.
नहीं, एक मिनट. अब्दुल रजाक खान, देखिए आपने कितने आई मस्ट सैल्यूट यू फॉर द ऑनेस्टी. You see, Tushar, Ratan Sharda, Colonel Anasen, Abdul Razak Khan is at least being honest. वो बोल रहे हैं AICC में AI जो है, we go by that. Artificial intelligence. AI driven है कांग्रेस पार्टी. वो बोल रहे हैं हमको उससे पता चल गया. So why wait for a briefing from the government? Abdul Razak Khan, I'm sorry, but that's not how things work. AI से नहीं चलता सर. AI से देखिए आपके लीडर चल रहे हैं तो क्या हाल हुआ है?
पार्लियामेंट सर, ये चीज पार्लियामेंट में डिस्कस क्यों नहीं हो सकती?
नहीं, ये हो सकती है, वो लेजिटिमेट डिमांड है. लेकिन नहीं, एक मिनट अब्दुल भाई, वो डिमांड सही है कि पार्लियामेंट सेशन बुलाओ, लेकिन ये मुखबिर बोलना किसी को मुखबिर बोलना, हमारे एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर को ये बोलना कि हमने टारगेट्स डिस्क्लोज कर दिया था तो टेररिस्ट भाग गए, ये गलत है सर. ये दिस इज अ डिससर्विस. आपको मानना पड़ेगा. इफ यू रियली पुट फोर्सेस फर्स्ट इन इंडिया फर्स्ट, लाइक शशि थरूर एंड सलमान खुर्शीद, you will have to, take, slightly differ from the traditional party line. Ratan Sharda, the CDS interview is now being attacked.